Hey guys, what's the weather like today? That's fine. Okay. Oh no. Very confused. There is mixing a song. Hi everyone, today I'm mixing a song. That's a little bit difficult because I'm the clever in this subject. Look at this. There are altogether 60 tracks. I'm still learning this subject. That's mixing and mastering. If so, it was something wrong, you would suggest me. If so, I will be very grateful for you. How to make mixing a song? Actually, additional all music tracks in here, guitar, guitar, vocal, drums, key, bass, hollow, left, right, and harmony vocal, etc. And then mix them all together, and I have to adjust the sound of each one. You know that? This is mixing, okay? That's a little bit. I'm not still understand this subject. I'm still learning how to mix a song. Yes. If so, the bass line more than normally. So, I begin level of bass track. Okay. You heard that? The hollow left right is more than normally. I will choose that. I adjust this line. Oh, overrides game is more than. You hear that? You hear that? Hey, you listen this track. Okay. You listen this track. Yeah. Okay. This sound like crash. This sound like crack and crash. Okay. So I will reduce this line. Okay. Oh, I have to reduce it. Yeah. Hey, you hear that? You heard that? This track is you think this track is the delay a little bit. You heard that? You match. You mentioned backing music, and this is solo distortion track. Solo distortion track is a delay, a little bit delay. Okay, yes. I will adjust this line. Yes, good. You hear that? Wow, okay. That's fine. All of these lines are just finished. I will make plugin in each one. Okay, yeah, you know that. First step, gain level is adjustment. So not noisy, not loudly, not softly. The gain level is equal. All of the gain level is equal. This is this adjustment of mixing. But I'm not expert in this subject, in this subject. I'm not expert. I'm still learning this subject, this very mixing and mastering. If so, if so is something wrong, you will suggest me, you will help me, okay? You will reply me. So I will be very grateful for you. Okay. That's fine. Thank you for watching my video. And if you like this video, you can subscribe and notify.